Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using products from Koils by Nature, the Lemongrass collection. So I'm going to be starting off on freshly washed hair. Next, I'm following up with the Sage and Lemongrass Deep Treatment to add moisture back into my hair. This product is excellent for color treated hair and it also helps to prevent breakage. Now I'm going to be applying the deep conditioner into my hair, making sure to apply it from root to tip and gently massage and comb the product into each strand. I'm also going to be taking some subsections in order to make sure that I get the product into the middle of my head. Now I'm going to be doing the same exact process on the other half of my head. I'm going to make sure that I apply it from root to tip, massage the product into my hair, and make subsections in order to get the product all the way through each strand. So now I'm prepping to go under the hooded dryer. I'm going to be tying a plastic bag onto my head because I could not find my plastic cap. I'm going to be sitting under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes. So after 20 to 30 minutes, I took my hair out of my two little buns, and when I tell you my hair was moisturized, honestly, this has to be one of the best products that I've used as a deep conditioner. It melted out all of the knots that were in my hair, and it made the tangling so much easier than it normally would be. This is what my hair is looking like after washing out the deep conditioner. It's defined, it's moisturized, my curls are popping, guys. I'm following up with the leave-in conditioner from the Sage and Lemongrass line. Before I add the leave-in to my hair, I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water because it was beginning to dry out. I'll be starting off with a quarter size amount of leave-in conditioner, and as I continue to put conditioner into my hair, depending on how my hair is feeling, I'll decide if I need to add some more. After applying my leave-in conditioner to my entire head, I will be following up with the curl defining gel from the same line. I usually start off by sectioning off my hair just to make application easier. I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle again and massage the water into my strands. I'll be adding about a quarter size amount of the gel to my hair as well. So I just repeated the same steps on the rest of my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like after applying the leave-in and the gel. It's very defined and it's super moisturized. So I decided to sit under the hooded dryer instead of diffusing my hair. So this is how my hair is looking after sitting under the dryer for 30 minutes. It's really defined and it's moisturized. I was actually very happy with my results. I'm just going to be finishing off this style with my Melanin Haircare Pure Oil Blend to get the crunch out of my hair. And guys, I really did like these products for my wash and go. It gave me volume, it gave me definition, and I had moisture. I got compliments on my hair all day, so you know, these products are really amazing. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.